for passive income streams to build wealth in 2026. Let's be real, the standard 40-hour work week is broken. In 2026, if you're only trading your time for a paycheck, you're losing. With the cost of living in the US skyrocketing, the only way to get ahead is to make your money work while you sleep. Today, I'm breaking down for passive income streams that are actually working right now. No get-rich-quick fluff, just proven strategies to build real freedom. Let's dive in. Step 1. The AI-powered content machine. First, let's talk about digital products. This is the king of low-overhead business. Thanks to AI, you no longer need to be a graphic designer or a novelist to succeed. People are making thousands a month selling digital planners, specialized prompts, or niche educational guides on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. The secret: don't try to sell to everyone. Find a specific problem like budgeting for nurses or meal plans for busy tech workers. Create the solution once, and let the automated systems handle the sales 24/7. Step 2. Fractional real estate and dividends. Number 2. Fractional investing. For decades, real estate was only for the wealthy. Not anymore. In 2026, apps allow you to buy shares of rental properties for as little as $100. You get a portion of the monthly rent and the long-term appreciation without ever having to fix a broken toilet. Pair this with dividend growth investing. By owning shares in dividend aristocrat companies, you're essentially getting a loyalty check every quarter. It starts small, but when you reinvest those dividends, the compound interest becomes a monster. Step 3. High-ticket affiliate ecosystems. Third is high-ticket affiliate marketing. Most people fail here because they try to sell $5 gadgets for a few cents in commission. The pros focus on high-ticket software or services. Think about the tools businesses need to survive: hosting, CRM software, or AI automation tools. When you refer a business to a service they use monthly, you often get a recurring commission. One sale can pay you every single month for years. It's not about selling. It's about recommending the right tools to the right people. Step 4. Automated faceless channels. Finally, faceless YouTube channels. You're watching one right now. By focusing on high CPM cost per mil niches like finance, tech, or business, you can earn significant ad revenue without ever showing your face. The 2026 strategy is about content compounding. Use AI to help script and edit. Then let the YouTube algorithm find your US-based audience. Once a video goes viral, it becomes a digital asset that generates revenue for years. Passive income isn't about no work. It's about upfront work for long-term freedom. Take one of these 4, master it, and stop trading your life for a clock-in card. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more wealth building strategies. I'll see you in the next video.